Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites so the process won't stall. Have your Connect Ips user ID, password, and registered DOB handy, and make sure your mobile banking app is updated. Once done, open the bank app, choose Payments or Bill Pay, and select Connect Ips as a payment source. This links the two systems. Make sure your internet connection is stable, Wi-Fi or mobile data, and enable biometric or OTP access to speed future sign-ins and reduce repeated password entry. Next, you continue by linking and authorizing the connection. Tap Link Connect IPS, enter your credentials, and follow on-screen prompts. This grants the bank permission to view and initiate payments via Connect IPS. Once you submit, the system will send an OTP. Enter it promptly to authorize. After authorization, verify linked accounts by checking last 4 digits shown or performing a small test transfer. This confirms which accounts are usable for payments and prevents accidental charges later on. Finish by setting defaults and validating the flow end-to-end. Choose a default payment account, enable notifications, and run a small payment to confirm everything works. Watch for confirmation SMS or in-app receipt. If the payment fails, make sure credentials match Connect IPS records, clear the app cache, and retry. Sometimes a simple restart resolves token issues. If problems persist, contact your bank or Connect IPS support with the error code and time of attempt so they can trace and fix the linkage quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.